All right, YouTube. All right, YouTube. All right.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body.
Yo, 87SS boy, back at y'all again, man, with another video, man. So this video is sponsored by AUXITO. If you hadn't heard of AUXITO, look them up, man. I am gonna drop the link in the description as well as in the comment section, and I will pin it. AUXITO is a LED lighting company, so they sponsored me. They wanted to show, you know what I'm saying, what they got going on with the LED lights and everything. So they sent me 2 sets of headlights, one for the Monte Carlo, one for the Cutlass. And we're gonna go ahead and install these and show y'all what they look like, man. Shout out to AUXITO Lighting, man. I appreciate y'all, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into the video, man. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so be notified when I'm dropping these videos, man. So here we go. Boy, I know it's been a minute since y'all seen the Monte Carlo, boy. She's still here, but she down, man. She down. But this ain't what the video about. This video is about LED lighting from AUXITO. I hadn't even opened these at all. This is the 9004, so this is gonna be in another video. This is for the Cutlass. So anybody that got the Cutlass 87 or 88, this will be the bulb for you, 9004. That'll go in the Cutlass. So we're gonna put that to the side. Then we got the AUXITO LED lighting for the Monte Carlo. So this will be for your guys with the 4 headlights. If you upgraded your beams here, you'll get the LEDs here, and they'll be a 9003/H4. So H4 or 9003 will work. So it'll be an H4 bulb in each one of these. So they sent me a set of each. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put them in the low beam. I'm gonna show y'all how easy it is to install them. Put them in the low beam, and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. Y'all hang tight, man. I'm gonna get my tripod set up, and then we gonna get right back with y'all. All right, here we go. So once again, like I said, man, AUXITO lighting. This is for your 9003/H4 bulb. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing, man. And I didn't even grab no blade or nothing. There we go. Go ahead and unbox this, show y'all what we got. Nice boxing and everything. Oh man, see, I got gloves out. It come with a pair of gloves. If you didn't know, you know, you shouldn't be touching these bulbs here, because of the oil on your fingers and stuff like that, it'll damage them. So what I'm gonna do, man, I got gloves on already, but I'm gonna use these gloves that they sent me, man. Why not? I'm gonna use these gloves and install these. These are your H4 prongs here. It's 3 prongs. 3 prongs. So if you didn't know, it's 3 prongs. Your high beams will have 2 prongs, but there's an adapter piece that you can buy so that these lights will work on high beam and low beam. Now let me switch these gloves out, and I'll be right back with y'all. All right, so y'all saw me change out the gloves. I got really big hands, so if you got big hands, these may not fit the best. Like the bottom of my fingers are right here. So these gloves may not fit the best, but at least you'll be protected from these bulbs. Well, the bulbs will be protected from you, I'll say. So this is what the bulb looks like. I'm guessing this is I'm not sure exactly what this is, but it's needed for the LED bulb. There's a fan in there, as you can see that. Keep them cool. This is the design. Look really cool, man. Yeah, so AUXITO lighting. LED lights for your ride, man. They not only sell bulbs for old schools, They sell them for new cars as well. So we'll put this back in here while I undo my other one. Disconnect it. And all you do is turn it to the left. I know y'all can't see what I'm doing. These are my old ones. I'm gonna take these out. These are the old ones. As you can see, it does have a fan in there, but it doesn't have this extra piece right here. Like I said, I'm not exactly sure what this is, but I'm pretty sure it's needed. So out with the old, in with the new. So we're gonna take this, plug it up. There you go. Plug it up. And what I found out here, I gotta show y'all this because I was struggling trying to put it in. As y'all can see, this new bulb, it had this piece on it. I had to turn it and take this piece off because as you can see, the old one here does not have that big piece. And that's why I was having issues getting it in. So you gotta take this little piece off. If you have this application, you gotta take this little piece off. That way you'll just be left with this. And then it should go in like swimwear. Only thing about these gloves, you cannot touch your phone. It won't work. So I'm gonna get y'all down in here with me. If you can see, and we're gonna stick this in there. And turn it. All right, y'all, we got the bulb in. So I left the old bulb on that side and the new one over here. I'm gonna show y'all, let me pull my light switch, show y'all what we're looking like. As y'all can see, them things looking bright. So we're gonna see if we can tell a difference. Ooh, ooh. All right, so I don't know if y'all can tell a difference in camera, but this light over here is definitely brighter than that one there. But yeah, man, yes sir. So this is the old one, this is the new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the new bulb in that side as well, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all and show y'all what it look like. AUXITO for the win, man. AUXITO, AUXITO. All right, so yeah, we got this side in. We're gonna take this other side out. I don't know if y'all can see me, but we're gonna pull this out. And this is the connection here. Like I said, it's a 3-prong connection. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Y'all, hold on. All right, got that bulb out. So we got both of the bulbs out that I had in there. And then we're gonna go back with the new AUXITO bulb. And like I said, with this, you gotta take this off. So I'm gonna turn this. I can do this with one hand. Turn that so that we can get it off. There we go. Come on off of that, there we go. So take this piece off, then we'll be able to install this. So install, and all you do is push it in and turn it. Push it in and turn, and then you take the other piece and connect it here, which I can't do that with one hand, y'all. Hold on, hang tight. All right, YouTube. All right, YouTube. All right, so we got both low beams installed. So we're gonna turn these lights on. Woo! That side need to be adjusted. It's a little low. So this is what we looking like. I know y'all hear my little bell in the inside. But yeah, low beam headlights, AUXITO LED lighting. They bright, y'all. They bright. Now, I'm gonna turn my high beams on so we can see if we see a difference. Yeah, see, I can't tell in the camera, but in person, I can definitely tell that those inside bulbs are not as bright as the outer ones. So like I said, man, AUXITO lighting for the win, man. AUXITO lighting for the win. And I'm not just saying that because I'm partnering with them. Not just saying that because I'm partnering with them, man. I'm gonna give y'all one more look. LEDs, man. H4 bulbs. H4. Yes, sir. So, hey, y'all get with AUXITO lighting, man. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link in the description as well as in the comment section, and I'll pin it. Y'all get it, AUXITO lighting for all your LED needs, man. Look at that. That's tight there. Yes, sir. And y'all be on the lookout for the review, the install and review on the Cutlass as well. So we're gonna install these on the Cutlass. Like if you got a 9004 bulb, this is what you need. If you got that Cutlass with the Euro clip 8788, it'll be this one, 9004. So yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next video, man. Y'all don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I'm dropping these partnerships, these sponsorships, these videos, these shorts, these lives, everything, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. 87 SS Boy, we out of here.